David brought the evidence to Patricia. A week later, she called him back.
What you found is significant. We're escalating it directly to the audit committee and the board.
David Osei was 23 when he joined internal audit at Harrington Manufacturing. Fresh out of university, eager to prove himself, and always the youngest person in the room. It was his first fieldwork assignment, a routine review of the procurement process. Then he noticed one vendor had contracts in 18 months. Each was just below the approval threshold. David traced the vendor's owner procurementship. Then he noticed something. The address belonged to the manager's brother-in-law. The manager was James Harrington. David brought the evidence to Patricia. A week later, she called him back.
What you found is significant. We are escalating it to the board.
Status does not confer immunity from scrutiny. Apply professional skepticism. Apply it to everyone at every level. Independence is the source of your value.